Hey guys, yeah, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Missy. I'm Missy, yes. Okay, so today we are going to be talking about my skincare empties, my current one. Now this is, I didn't do it in the sense of what month I bought them. I've just gathered together just 5 products, actually 5 empty products. Basically these are products I have used. I loved them, and if I get the opportunity I would definitely be buying them again. Some of them I have bought again, and some of them I'm like, okay, I need to buy this again. But basically these are products I can tell you about now. um let's get right ahead to start this. What I'm going to say is this is my first skincare empties video, so I think I'll be doing them in volumes. Let's just maybe like start a series, who knows. Let's try it. So this is like volume 1, and we're going to be improving on this like as time goes on. So let us start. First one is this Soap and Glory Face Up and Clarity 3-in-1 Daily Detox Vitamin C Facial Wash. Now I bought this because it was all over social media at some point. Maybe 3 months ago or 2 months ago, it was all over Pinterest, it was all over Instagram. I was like, what is the fuss about this, for the love of God? So I was like, okay, let me go and buy it. And I went up to Boots and I got it for myself. I got it for, I really can't remember now, but I will leave the link down below. I think I got it, it wasn't more than £10. The positive far outweighed the negative reviews, because people were like, within 3 days they were able to see the results. I didn't, but every time I used it I could feel that my face was clean. When your face is clean, you know, it's not greasy, it's not you feel it basically when you're in the shower and you know that you've washed your face. Now and it says for super clean, fresh and bright skin you can rely on this. When I had Soap and Glory, I'm like, okay, this is one of those products that you buy, you're like, let's just try it. And I was like, and I was pleasantly surprised then, I'm not gonna lie. The second one, I think we need a round of applause for this. This is called Mario Badescu Apricot Super Rich Body Lotion. Now when I buy my skin products, right, I just go online when I'm like, okay, I need to buy this, I need to buy that. There's sometimes I know things that I want, like products I've used, I loved them, and I'm like, okay, I need to get it again. But this particular time I would just go online, like, okay, I'm looking for body lotion, let me try something. I'm like, okay, Mario Badescu. I have never been disappointed with any of the products. I love Mario Badescu. So I was like, okay, let me try this one. I bought this and I was happy with it. Like, my body felt so, not my body, my skin felt so soft, moisturized. I felt like a baby skin basically, and I'm not exaggerating. I'm like, it's good. I'm confused, but it's good. Now it's Apricot Super Rich Body Lotion, lightly fragrant. It doesn't have that strong smell, but it smells nice, and you can actually smell the apricot in it. And I do like the smell, you know, when you use it and then you combine your body mist and everything, like that fresh smell. I don't know, like, it was just nice. And it's formulated with antioxidants, vitamin A and E for healthy, nourished skin, perfect for replenishing skin after bath or sun. I used it every day after shower. The only downside to this is that it's a very tiny bottle. Yes, it didn't last very long. So this is one of those products that I will definitely be buying 100%, like 110%. I'm just biased towards Mario Badescu, don't blame me. Like, the products are amazing, it does the job. So, and this is like £8. I mean next. Now the last 3 products are very tiny products that I am not tiny as in the size is tiny. This one, now this is a very tiny one, and I used this in like 3 weeks because it was in a beauty box. Now I've always wanted to try Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum, but to be fair, it's a bit pricey. It's like £30 for the 30 ml, I think. Can't remember. but everyone's always talking about it. Like, it's all over. It's not all over the internet, it's all over. Everyone uses it and everyone's always talking about it. So I was like, okay, that's right. But then the opportunity came to try Fumi Feto's beauty box, and I looked at the beauty box and then this is what was in it, like the beauty box for autumn, and I was like, perfect timing, like best time ever. So I bought the beauty box. The only downside is in the beauty box, the products are, they use the smallest size ever. Now this is a very tiny one, but it's an Empties. I would definitely be going to Estee Lauder to get more. Like, when I say more, one more. One at a time. As a serum meant to use in the night, but let's not lie, let me tell you guys, I use it in the morning and in the night. Maybe that's why I finished after 3 weeks, but I use it morning, I use it in the night, and then when you use it in the night, basically I wake up in the morning and my skin is hydrated, it feels moisturized, and I'm like, oh, this is pure bliss. Well, not really. But yeah, you get my point. What I'm trying to say is that this product works. It leaves my skin feeling hydrated, it leaves it feeling moisturized. Now, it's meant to be like an anti-aging serum, like skincare product for older people. Now, I am in my 20s, late 20s, gently knocking on 30. I wouldn't consider myself as having wrinkles yet, but I do not think I should wait until when I'm older before I start like an anti-aging routine. So but that's why I use this, and I would advise anybody, stop looking at like the age. Don't wait until you're older. If you're older, you're younger, use something that works for you. Anti-aging, it's better to even start your anti-aging skincare regime just now. That's my opinion anyway. But yeah, I think this is just opening a lot of stories, but I'm definitely getting this one again, and I'm getting a bigger size next time because nobody has time for this. Please, I can't even be bothered. The next one is this one. I don't know if it's pronounced as Fasali, or I'm just gonna say Fasali. Now this is one of the reasons why I bought this product is because there was a time this product was in vogue a long time ago, but I never bought it. I'm always late to the party. But when I was like, okay, let me get my skincare in check, and then I went online and I was like, okay, and at that point in time I was trying to see if like the makeup world, you know, I was trying to like revive my makeup skills and everything. So I was like, okay, let me buy this. Now I bought this. I love it because number one, it's pink. It's pink in color. Sorry, it's finished, so I don't know if you can see the color. Yeah, but it's pink and I love pink color. Then secondly, you use it as an essence or a serum. It's a unicorn essence skin enhancing antioxidant serum. Now it's, you apply to your clean face before moisturizer, maybe used as a primer before makeup application. I have used this both ways basically, but let's be real, I don't make up every time. I only make up when I'm going out or there's something happening. I'm not an everyday makeup kind of girl. I always use this as like a primer before my moisturizer, and it's got some, it's got shine. It has some glitter in it, right? But it's not that your face will be glittering and then you feel like, but no, it's nice. I would definitely buy this. Not, this is one of those products that I would rate on a scale of 1 to 10. I would rate maybe a 7, and I would always buy it, say, once in a while. But it's not like a serum that I would say buy it like time after time, like on a rolling cycle like this one's. No, but I would definitely buy it. Now let's talk about Mario Badescu. Let's go back to Mario Badescu. This is Mario Badescu skincare herbal hydrating serum. I use this, and the funny fact is, I don't know why, but this product is this, like, I mean, look at the size of the bottle. But I used it for a long time and I was pleasantly amazed. I wasn't surprised because it's Mario Badescu, but I was amazed. Like, they always amaze me. So as a serum, as a hydrating serum, and I'm always focused on hydration and moisture. Hydration, like hydrate your skin, moisturize your skin, hydrate your skin, moisturize your skin. Like, once your skin is hydrated, it is healthy. Leave your skin moisturized and it avoids all those things. So This is a serum, and I'm so into serums. Like, there was a time I didn't have any serum at all, and I felt like my skin was like, I felt like I was damaging my skin literally. So guys, you need to use serum. That's the moral of that short story. But this is an oil-free serum. It can be worn alone or layered over moisturizer to improve the skin's texture. I just remember that when I was using this product, I was confused. Ideally, I know that when I use my serum, I use it before my moisturizer, but this one says layer it over your moisturizer. So I was alternating it sometimes. I'll be like, let's just go with the directions. Another time I'll be like, no, this is not what I know. It's just a bit strange to me. But what I would say is, whichever works for you. It might be best to go with the directions basically, but I was just using it anyway and it worked for me. It protects against moisture loss, reduces the look of flaky dry skin, and minimizes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. That's a win-win situation. So you can actually use this as a moisturizer, but I never did that. So this is my skincare empties, my first, volume 1, and I have 5 products here, 5 containers. If you ask me, Mario Badescu tops it all, then Estee Lauder, then my face wash, the soap and glory face wash, and then Fasali. Now these are products I used. I'll definitely try again. I would recommend you guys to try them. If you do want to try them, I'll leave the links down below as usual in the description box, and then you can try them. Have you guys used these products before? Let me know what you guys think about it. Anyways, if you've not subscribed to my channel, guys, I've given you a round of applause, so please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to also hit the notification button down below. And I'll see you in my next vlog. Now have a good day, night, enjoy yourself basically.